left at the lights. Good call, good call.
Yeah. Don't want to jump in front of him. There's a reason he went in this lane.
Nice. Okay, so we're going to throw in the parallel parking here with the white car.
Okay.
You don't need the signal anymore. It's fine. That was nice of them to stay back there, eh?
Yeah, seriously.
Usually they'll race around you. That's good, man.
Okay.
Perfect.
Park and brake.
Under pressure, too, with that traffic back there. So, yeah, no, that's good. And you were correct about being a little bit too far. So that's why you ended up far back.
Farther back,
but
right.
Still perfectly acceptable for the purposes of a road test.
Okay. Because it wasn't like I was super far in the laneway.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, and you corrected yourself. You got in nice and close to the side of the road here before turning it all the way to the left. You got the steering down, no problem.
Okay.
And that signal, you don't need it on for the whole maneuver.
Just for the two back parts, right?
When you're
and then when you're like cranking it, that's when it does need to be
Yeah,
on.
when it goes off, just leave it off.
Okay.
So you have it on when you're pulling up, it's stopping, it's still on. You're in reverse, it's still on, right about here.
And then it'll turn off.
Yep, it'll turn off and you just leave it off. Yeah.
Okay.
And
So for
complete
that,
the maneuver.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's take off.